Well, it's really good to with you guys. Welcome back to another episode. Now I'm saying, welcome back. I hope you're doing great. Have this 2012 Volkswagen Passat, whatever you wanna call it. We're gonna do the alternator. I'm gonna show you which is up there. That guy right there is right above the AC compressor. So far you gotta disconnect the battery, okay, which is on top. You know where the battery is. All right, I'm gonna keep it short and blown. All right, so you don't take that long. It's gonna be easy. This is gonna be easy. All right, this is a bracket right here at the compressor. This car has two belts. So you see this car right here from above, from below. Put your 15 wrench and push it that way, like that. Alright. Then you're gonna remove this belt, and the other belt you remove it from the top. Okay. There's another pulley. I'll show you from the top. Come from the top. You see this guy right here? 15. Push it that way. Now you can remove the belt. Alright? You know where the battery is. 10mm socket. Remove the power. Oh, don't forget that cover though. Alright? Before you get into the bottom, I'm saying. It has like 3 here, 3 on that side, 3 here. Alright. Now we're gonna hit this. I'm gonna remove the compressor. There's one. The other one's right here. Okay. Then this is 10. This is 13. 13. Alright. Once you remove that 10, there's another 13. Alright. Grab the deep 10. Remove that hole. Comes in. There's that bolt. Okay. There's a bracket right there. Alright, now you see it better. Push it to the side just like that, so you can reach that 13. So grab the deep socket, 13. Remove that elbow. That's it. Alright. Right there. Okay. Swivel 13. You don't need it though, but that's what I'm using. I'm gonna remove that one at the end though. I'm gonna do the one on top. Out deep. There we go. Okay. Now we're gonna remove this one, the one at the bottom. Watch out though, because the compressor might drop on you. You see it's loose already. These two bolts are the same size, same length. Compressor's coming out. Okay. There's a connector here to remove that. Alright, what I do with this connector right here, I just put the lock pick in there, push it up, and then wiggle it out. There you go. That's how you disconnect this guy. Okay. It's still there though, by the way. You see it? Now this thing come out, just like that. Okay. Now you can drop this. Don't leave it hanging because you don't want to force it. Put too much tension in it. In this line side. So there you go. Now you can reach the back of the power and the connector. Power and connector. I would do that before I start losing the alternator. Okay. Now from here, just to make it look more. I mean, I don't need. You see this guy right here? I have to remove this too. This guy's right here. It's right below the alternator, okay? That's gonna be a T50, okay? My bad, it's not a T90, I mean T50 for those. Okay. For these guys, okay? It's the CRV M9, okay? It look like this. It's not this guy, it's this guy. Alright? They are not the same. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it by hands once I break it loose. I'll remove this guy. I'm saying. Alright. That's good too. Oh, Audi. There you go. Okay. I come through here. You see this ball right here? This not come through with the 8 wrench ratcheting. Okay. Like a bitch though. Go. Yeah. So here, yeah. Alright, that was an 8mm. Okay. Let's put it to the side. Come through here. You're gonna pop this guy over here. Just like that. Alright, that's gonna be 12, maybe 13. Grab here, 13 wrench. Because it's 13, this guy. Okay. Alright. This guy, that's it. There you go. Okay. I'll pop that guy. There you go. Put this back if you feel like the ball, whatever. Now for that connector right here. This guy, just press it here. Press it like that, it's gonna come out. Just like that. So there's 2 bolts that hold the alternator. One here and the one over there. I don't know if you see it. The one on top, you can catch it from the top. That's that one right there. That one right there. And then this one right here. Come through with the electric ratchet. And say, there you go, just like that. That's one. Now you come from the top. There it is, the other one, 13. Alright. I got a 13 deep socket. They're all same size. From the top. Those are for compressor. Grab your pry bar. Put it right here. Pry. Fuck it. The shit's gonna break anyway. That's the old one. I'm gonna have to remove this line. This is right in front of the alternator. I'm gonna remove this line. This is gonna be 17. I'm gonna lose it. push it to the side. Now pry that fuck. Now let's press on WD-40 to make it easier. That's it. Alright. That's how you remove the alternator. Alright. Wiggle it, it's gonna come out. Alright. Seems like this guy's gonna need a new oil ring if I'm not tripping. But that's pretty much it, yeah. Alright. Now the install process it goes in reverse. Alright. That's pretty much it. Hope you like this video, hope you enjoy. How to remove the alternator in fucking 10 minutes. Thank you Volkswagen for giving me the chance to do this. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. Don't forget to support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Hit the bell button so every time I upload something new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. Hit the like button, share this video and the feedback, put in the comment box for me. You know what time it is. Did I say shout outs to my subscribers? Yeah, I think I did. Show your love and support by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad, don't skip it. Commercial, propaganda. It's like regular TV, you know what I'm saying? It comes with commercials. But in YouTube it's ads, advertisement. Watch it all, don't skip it. That's how you support the channel. Alright. Wanna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. I'm clacking now. Estuvo por un maldito.